lizard brain concept came about in the 1950s when people were trying to understand the evolution of the brain and the central nervous system. And they started looking at the brain of lizards and reptiles and comparing it to more evolved mammalian brains. And they started to find a lot of similarities in what we call the basal limbic regions of the brain. And this developed the idea that the lizard brain is the original ancient brain, and then the mammalian brain started building parts on top of it to make it more complex. For a long time, the lizard brain has been associated with instinctual responses, such as fight or flight in response to an enemy, and the more complex systems, such as learning and memory and emotions, are associated with the more evolved mammalian systems. The colloquial thinking establishes that our lizard brain can control our emotions and our actions, and they can override logic and reason. This is not true. That's not what makes us human. What is true is that the lizard brain controls a lot of our basic functions necessary for life: what we eat, when we sleep, when we breathe. What makes us human is the ability to use the new parts of our brain, the cortex and the neocortex, where we can come up with new ideas, new technologies, and we can actually think about the future. These are all things that reptiles cannot do.